In this video, you'll learn how to install N8N on Google Cloud in just a few minutes, so you can run your own workflow automation platform with full power and flexibility. First, go to cloud.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Open the Google Cloud Console and create a new project, or select an existing one where you want to install N8N for your automations. Next, enable billing on your project. Don't worry, Google Cloud offers a generous free tier that's enough for small N8N setups, especially if you're just starting out and testing your workflows on a budget. Now, open the Cloud Shell by clicking the terminal icon at the top right of your console. This gives you a ready-to-use Linux terminal directly inside Google Cloud with all the tools you need pre-installed. After that, deploy N8N using Docker. Run the N8N Docker command in your Cloud Shell, or set up a Compute Engine virtual machine, install Docker, and pull the N8N image. Configure environment variables for your secure setup. Once N8N is running, expose it to the internet using a public IP and a domain. Set up Nginx or Caddy as a reverse proxy with SSL to make your N8N instance secure and easy to access from anywhere. And that's it. N8N is now installed on Google Cloud, ready to automate your workflows like a true professional.